Join me as I put the DJI Neo 2 to the test and see if it really is flipping out of control. The DJI Neo 2 is one of the most popular drones on the market right now, and for good reason. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, it's a favorite among both amateur and professional users alike. From capturing stunning aerial footage to providing a fun and reliable flying experience, the Neo 2 seems to have it all. But recent reports have started to surface that suggest the DJI Neo 2 may have a darker side. Users are coming forward with stories of their drones suddenly plummeting to the ground, or worse, careening out of control with no warning. It's a scary thought, and one that has a lot of people wondering if the Neo 2 is safe to fly. One user reported that his Neo 2 suddenly dropped 20 feet while in midair, barely missing a group of people below. Another user experienced her drone veering sharply off course, despite her best efforts to correct it. And then there are the countless reports of drones simply freezing up in midair, leaving users powerless to do anything but watch as their expensive investment crashes to the ground. The common thread among all of these reports seems to be a loss of control. Users are saying that their drones are suddenly behaving erratically, and they have no idea why. It's a worrying trend, and one that has sparked a lot of concern among drone enthusiasts. So, what's going on? Is it a problem with the drone's control systems, or maybe a bug in the firmware? Or could it be something more sinister, like a design flaw that's waiting to cause a serious accident? To understand what might be causing these control issues, we need to take a closer look at the technical aspects of the DJI Neo 2. The drone's control systems are designed to be incredibly advanced, with sensors and algorithms working together to provide a smooth and stable flying experience. The user interface is also highly praised, with an intuitive design that makes it easy for users to control their drone. But despite these advanced features, some experts are pointing to the drone's firmware as a potential culprit. With so many updates and patches being released, it's possible that some users are experiencing glitches and bugs that haven't been fully ironed out. And then there's the issue of user error. Could it be that some users are simply not flying their drones correctly, leading to these unexpected control issues? One of the most compelling cases I've come across is from a user who was filming a wedding with his Neo 2. Everything was going smoothly until suddenly, without warning, the drone veered sharply off course and crashed into a nearby tree. The footage is terrifying, and it's a miracle that no one was hurt. But what's even more worrying is that the user had been flying his drone perfectly fine just minutes before. What could have caused it to malfunction so suddenly? Another user reported a similar experience, saying that his Neo 2 suddenly started behaving erratically while he was flying over a crowded beach. Despite his best efforts to correct it, the drone continued to veer off course, coming close to hitting several people before eventually crashing into the ocean. It's a harrowing story, and one that raises serious questions about the safety of the Neo 2. So, what does it all mean? Is the DJI Neo 2 a safe drone to fly, or is it a ticking time bomb just waiting to cause an accident? The truth is, we don't know for sure, but what we do know is that these control issues are a serious concern, and they need to be addressed. So, if you're considering buying a DJI Neo 2, what should you do? First and foremost, make sure you're aware of the potential risks involved. Take the time to read up on the drone's safety features and learn how to fly it properly. And above all, be vigilant. If you experience any unusual behavior while flying your Neo 2, don't hesitate to contact DJI and report the issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our video on drone safety tips. It's essential viewing for anyone who wants to stay safe while flying their drone. And if you've had a similar experience with the DJI Neo 2, please share your story in the comments below. We want to hear from you.